Okay. Thank you, everybody. She's going to give some reflections. I'll give you guys a little context on who the student was and address some, I think, the questions. So this is a body of work from a student who really was a really intelligent student, but she really struggled on when it came to assessments. And so this is a MCAS question, which is like the Massachusetts Standardized Test. And whenever we do these open responses, we do them on what the actual test looks like, so they get used to it. I think Samantha alluded to this. She is someone who worked so hard that she definitely had done like a draft of this before, and this was her final clean version of it. And I was very proud of this work because it was well done and thought out, but more so because of her, because it was an assessment-like question and she had done this on her own and had done an excellent job. So as for the methods up top, they were taught to do keep, change when it was a subtraction problem. And I always call that like the half method, because it's not a full method, it won't give you the answer. And this second one where it has it's actually positive and negative, it's what we call the scoreboard. And so you have 11 positives, and so like the positive team has 11 points, the negative team has 15 points. Who's winning? The negative team by 4 points. And so that was a strategy on its own that was not connected to the number line. So I had given them many methods to use and then encouraged them to choose the one that was best for them. But she chose, it appears, to do several of them, I guess in a way for her to check her work or to be more comprehensive. But there is really no connection, at least not that I've seen, and you're making me look at this again, like is there a connection between the scoreboard and the number line? And not that I had previously thought of. You also alluded to this as somebody and how the wording is really like very common to the question. That was we gave them strategies on how to answer these, and it was like red elephant seed solving riddles. It was like read, look for the elements. Someone said the answers are there, like that was the key thing. The units are there, degrees Fahrenheit's there, and we always encourage them to use the language of the question so they had a complete sentence. And I think that's it. I think I'm really interested, and from what I heard, about like the potential connection between that I could draw between that what we call the scoreboard and the number line. And also, what did she really need? And did she do that because it was expected or needed? And what it was best for her? So yeah, thank you everybody for sharing.